Chalo, now everyone join your hands and close your eyes. Everything I am, everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the one so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Let's sing a happy birthday song for Hima. Yes, everyone. Chalo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many, 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 many.
Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Okay, class. Now, everyone, take your English notebook with you. Everyone, take your English notebook.
Today is Monday.
Yes, today is Monday. Chalo, everyone, take your English notebook. And yes, what is the date today? We have not done with the dates. Today's date is 27th September 2021, and the month is going to be end now. What will come after September?
October.
October. And which festival is there in October?
I don't know.
Navratri. Yes, Navratri festival. So, yes. So this is your September month, and now September month is having only 3 more days to go. Then after October month will start, right? Chalo. So everyone, as we are writing September for 9, October for we will write number 10. But today's date is 27th September 2021. Right? Now take your English
Ma'am,
notebook. Yes.
why did I say 21 September like that?
Sorry, I didn't get you, bacha.
Your voice is
Yeah, my network is little bit slow. I don't know. It is slow. Network is slow,
you're
mine.
breaking you. You are breaking.
my voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Okay, soon it will be fine. It's actually network issue. Network is very slow. Now you can hear me? Chalo, now take your English notebook. Open your index page first. In your index page, write down today's date and the topic you will write dictation. You can write CVC dictation. Okay, you will write CVC dictation. We are going to do the dictation of CVC. Yes.
My all this finish.
Index page finish. You can write it up.
Ma'am,
The backside.
I don't know how to write dictation. Ma'am, see my new compass.
Very
I
nice.
don't know how to write dictation.
Okay, now mute your microphone, everyone. Kanak, I'll let you know how to do. First of all, listen to me very carefully. What you have to do, you have to open your index page first. In the index page, you have to write down the date and the topic. If in case your index page is full, now there is no space, you can turn back and you can write it on the back side of that page. Okay? Now, what you have to write, you can see here. Write down the date, today's date, and the topic. You will write CVC dictation. We are going to do the dictation of CVC.
My book is not full.
Okay, no problem. Right now, write down in this. The same you will write it in next page, and the same you will write in the of a new page, fresh new page.
अरे मैं
तो ये मैम दिखा रही, फटाफट लिखो ना जब दिखा रही है तो।
अरे मम्मा मैं इसमें बस लिख रही थी, इसमें नहीं।
वेदिका तुम आगे लिखेगी
इंडेक्स पेज में।
हाँ. Now mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. What happened, Hriday? Why are you making cry face? If you are done this much, then we can start. Hriday, come on. Okay, now are you ready? You all are ready? Shall I start writing the dictation word? Okay.
Yes.
So your first, see, CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, there will be no blends word. Only CVC words. Okay, all the 5 vowel CVC words we will do. So the first word is, I'm not going to say with the sound. I'm going to say the word cap. Cap. Shri, keep your video on, bacha.
Ma'am, I haven't write the topic in here.
Why? Oh, it's okay. Right now, start writing the dictation words and then afterwards you will write. Okay? No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Write down cap. Your first word is cap.
I'm done.
Very good.
I'm done.
Now, your next word. Okay. Your next word is when. Your first word is cap. Your second word is when. When. Cap. Then afterward, when.
That's the second word.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. अच्छा पहले तो I want everyone to mute your microphone. Now listen to me very carefully. If you are done, then you can just show me thumbs up. Okay, if you are done, and if you are not done, you can show me thumbs down. Yes, Laksh, what you want to ask?
Ma'am, first one is cat or cap?
It's cap. I said cap. And second word is when.
Okay, ma'am.
Cap.
Ma'am.
And then when.
Ma'am, cat.
Bacha, you are not paying attention. Cap. Cap. One day what I'm going to do, one day I'm going to off my video and I'm going to take dictation. So you will not able to see my lip sync. So you will be very careful listening. You will listen it very carefully. Then only you will able to write. Chalo, your first word is cap. Your second word is when. Next is fat. 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 Fat.
Ma'am, done.
I said nobody will unmute your microphone. You will just show me thumbs up. Yes, I can see many of your thumbs up. Okay. Then the next word is sad. 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 Done? Okay. Then the next word is bug. 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 Next word is nut. 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 We are eating nuts. Nuts. Nut.
Ma'am, nuts.
Yes, but we will not write S at the end. The S will be not there. Nut. Nut.
Ma'am, nuts. क्या nut?
Nut. Done, everyone? Okay. Next word is bun. 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 Hot cross bun. Hot cross bun. That wala bun. Bun. Okay. Bun.
मैम बन के बाद क्या था?
बन के बाद अभी कुछ नहीं बोला मैम ने. I have not said anything else. Now the next word after bun is mum. 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 Done? CVC words, so I don't want any of you to be, there is a single word that should be wrong. CVC word, I will not accept this. Not a single word of yours should be wrong. Each and every letter should be correct. And each and every word should be correct. Next word is cop. Cop. Cop.
Ma'am, you're giving very easy.
CVC word is actually very easy. There is no difficulty in CVC words. You will face difficulty then afterwards. Write down cop. 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 Hate, it is correct. Let's move to the next word. The next word is bhav bhav. What we will say?
Doggy.
Yes, dog. The next
Dog.
is your dog. Dog.
Ma'am, done.
Then your next word is hot. 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 Okay. Hot. Then afterwards, after hot, the next word is box. 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 Box.
I'm done.
Good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Next word is net. 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 Net.
Ma'am, net or net?
I'm saying net.
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 मैम नेट से पहले कौन सा था?
Box. Box. Box and then afterwards net. Yanvi.
Done, ma'am.
Then after
Ma'am?
हाँ
नेट के बाद क्या है?
नेट के बाद अभी मैम ने बोला ही नहीं है. नेट के बाद है व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट वर्ड आफ्टर नेट? इट इज den. 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 Den.
मैम इट्स इजी. 10 का den. Done. Done, ma'am. Done.
I said no need to say.
Ma'am, ka den.
Okay, now mute your microphone. Then after den the word is web. 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 Web.
Web, correct.
Okay. Now next word is your next word is red. Red.
Rat.
Red.
Ren or red?
Red.
Red. Ma'am,
Yes.
red, correct.
Red. The color red. Your next word is done with the red. Next word is your tip.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Tip tip is your next word. हाँ.
done. मैम टिप के बाद क्या है?
Yes, your next word is tip. Then what is the? Did you write the tip? आपने टिप लिखा क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
Then your next word is
Yes,
bin.
ma'am.
In bin.
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is bin. Bin.
Boy in bean, ma'am.
हाँ, bin. Bin. Correct. Then
Correct.
after bin, your next word is nib.
After bean, ma'am.
After bin के बाद है nip.
Ma'am, 10 के बाद.
Nib, not tin बच्चा. I am saying nib.
Ma'am, 10 के बाद क्या था?
Tin तो था ही नहीं. Tip था. First is tip. Then bin. Then nib.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Next, last word is lid. Your last word is lid.
Ma'am, look.
Okay, just a minute. मैं वापिस एक बार सारे वर्ड्स आपको रिपीट कर रही हूँ. Just pay attention, okay? Your first word was cap, then when, then fat, sad, bug, nut, bun, mum, cop, dog, hot, box, net, den, web, tip, bin, nib, and lead. Okay, shall everybody check your answer? I'm showing you.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, just check your answers.
Ma'am, ready.
Red left in.
Yes. हाँ. Red word is there. I have missed writing that one. Red is there. E wala na 1, 2, 3. Yes, red is there. Okay, red is there. Now everyone, show me your answers.
Ma'am, I can check. Ma'am, I can check.
You can check.
Ma'am.
Just a minute, Vedika. Okay, good. Danish, Nivan, Shiven, Shlok, Himay, Laksh, Paki, Het, good. Prayag, good Prayag. Very nice, good. So I can see your answers are correct. Yes, Arav, yours is also nice. Vedika. Okay, just a minute. Vedika, it's correct, bacha. It's correct. So yes, Heth, it is perfect. Yes. So here we are done with this. Okay, today we have done the recap of yes, Shri. I can see your answers, bacha. It's correct. The one how much I can see it is correct. Paki, perfect. So this is today we have done the revision of or recap of CVC words. Okay. This week we are going to do the recap only. Shri, आपको सोना नहीं है क्लास में. So you should also do it. अगर आज मैम ने CVC रिवाइज करवाया है, then at home again you have to do the recap of CVC words. Okay? Are you getting me? Chalo.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we are done with our class. Okay? Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, show you something. Ma'am, I want to show you something.